Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio. So glad to have you come along today. I have finished a Halloween kind of themed folio. And today is just going to be a flip through of that folio. But what I wanted to say, if you would help me out, if you want to put into the comments, please, if you would like to see me do something similar to this in a Christmas theme, because I'm seriously considering doing that. And this is a envelope folio. It's a large craft envelopes, and it's a folio I put together. Now I used the digitals from my porch prints, a couple of her digitals there, and just worked with them to make the folio on the inside. And so I'm considering doing one of her Christmas ones and then kind of doing it step by step, and then maybe something, if you're interested, you could actually craft along with it. So just let me know in the comments if you're interested in that. So this is it's the large envelope, which is a 9 by, I think they're like 9 by 5.5 envelopes. It's what I use, the ones that are made out of craft. And I got these at Michael's, but they're available in lots of places. So here's the front, and it has held together with a cloth tie. And here's the back. We'll do the back later. And so a little slip comes out here with a journaling card, or it could be something you put a photo on. So this can be a photo album, and this is based on, she calls it the academia, dark academia, I believe she does. But it is based on a series, but we can't call it that particular TV show series because that would be infringing upon copyright. So I'm just going to kind of show the umbrella here and this house and academia, and let viewers piece that together as they will. And so on the inside, the first fold out we have here are flip ups. We have 4 flip ups, and in here we can place photographs or memorabilia or journal or whatever. So that is on the left hand side, and on the right side is a really cute, really neat staircase here as a pocket, and inside that pocket is an envelope with a violin on it. And then on the inside you can do what you would like on that. It'd be really pretty to kind of like put a little photo there, a couple of photos. You can even stand it up. So that is on the inside, and a journaling card. And then we'll open it up, and on the right side is papers, and these are on a heavyweight paper, so this could be used for either journaling purposes, or you could just put a series of photographs in here, maybe a photograph, and write about it, or whatever. And inside is a little owl charm in the middle of that little journal, and the journal is attached to the folio. And in the middle portion we have a flap that comes up, and inside that flap are a couple of journaling cards here, and down below is this really cute bookcase used as a pocket, and inside is a little book, sorta. Allan Poe book, copy, the first page in the book, I forgot the name of that. And it has some little papers in here, and places you can put a little bit of journaling or whatever you would like to on that. And this opens up, and inside are 4 large, how large are these? These are 8 by 4 3/4, which again could be put photographs on these or write on them, or you can even cut them up and use them for something else inside the journal. And then we have this really cool picture of an old building there, which is pretty neat. And so that comes around like so. And I believe oh, it's on the other side. And so here are pockets. They're sort of like a step pockets. And we have then the journaling cards inside this pocket area. And at the very back is a, this could be, you could put a photograph and put it over that birdcage, and then it would be like a really cute photo sleeve if you would like to, with some journaling on the back of it. And then in the side is another journaling opportunity or large card. And at the very back, no, not the very back. Where am I? Yes, the back, meaning the back of the back of the whole folio. I have a pocket here and a pocket up that goes up, and there's journaling cards for this area there. And then down here is a pocket that opens up, and inside is a bunch of little pieces that you can use throughout your journal. I've got little tabs. You can write on these and put them on your pages, or make, however you want to use those, or some words. There are little pieces of ephemera, and then I have a couple of these really neat frames that you can use, and some of these little doodads, and just a bunch of little stuff that you can use to decorate the inside of your journal with. So that is right back inside here. Let's see, 1, 2, there. Okay, that goes right there. So that is the journal, and this will be available in my Etsy shop for sale. And yeah, so thank you so much for viewing this, and let me know. I'm really tempted to do a Christmas one like this, but just of course, slightly different, but a lot like this. So thank you, and we will talk to you later. Bye.